Hey hello everyone, Dark Master here, and some of these are gonna really touch the soul. So viewer discretion advised, everyone. Well, this is gonna be Confessions of the Mending Wolf, Part 18. I gotta take my breather, and plus, I hit this, and it's one of my poisons, since I am a recovering addict, just like my dad. And now we start talking about him. So, my dad wasn't in my life. Not at all. I mean, I did have moments with him. Some good moments. Some bad moments. There was always going to be that good and bad throughout life. Well, at a very young age, I didn't know nothing about my dad. Well, God bless my mom, so something that happened in her life, she was going to make sure that me and my siblings was going to be able to at least get to know my dad. I would love my dad for just one reason only nowadays. And it takes two people to create something. And without my dad, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be able to tell my story. Yeah. So, thank you, Dad. And happy early Father's Day. I know I won't get a response. I've tried to message you several times in the past, telling you happy Father's Day, but I've never gotten anything back. So, happy early Father's Day. Yes, everyone, there's some rage you can see with this one and with the next couple ones, because we'll be talking about my dad. Well, everyone, this was Confessions of a Mending Wolf, Part 18. Bye.